How to change Facebook name before 60 days in 2024. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change Facebook name before 60 days. In that case, you just have to go and open up a Facebook application and then log into your account. When you're logged into your Facebook account, that is going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, tap the trap bar icon and then you can go to the Meta Account Center by going to the settings and privacy and go to settings. As you are on this page, you could go to see more in account center, and here you could go to personal details, and then you could go and make changes with your information. However, if you're unable to do it, so then you can contact the support team, state about the issue, and they'll look into your matter. For that, head back to the same page, that is the menu section, and go to help and support. Tap on report a problem and click the OK button. And make sure to follow the instruction, as you just have to go ahead and shake your phones. And after you've done that, you just have to go ahead and type in the message. You wish to go ahead and change your Facebook name before 60 days, and you just have to type in the information, all that, and submit the request, and you should be able to get Facebook name before 60 days. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.